Hi guys, I'm back from Mansour, Baghdad, Iraq of course. I would like to show you another installation we did in town, which is great pivot door. So come with me to have a look. Look at this beautiful pivot door. It's 3.5 meters tall. It's dressed with mirror inside, which is amazing choice and aesthetic. Make your space larger and more luxury with a middle insert from stainless steel. So the aesthetic result is amazing. Let's see how it looks from outside. First of all, operates very easy and soft. Look at this. We talk about model Tecna with 10, in this case, with 10 independent aluminum insert in imitation wood color with a long handle of 3.5 meters and black accessories and black profiles, also threshold for any weather condition. So very beautiful, very elegant. It looks amazing. Easy to operate. Check this beauty. Very good job.